Hey, do you wonder how you can factory reset Xiaomi Smart Band 9? It's really simple, and all you have to do is just to grab your band, turn on the screen. Now you will have to search for the settings icon. It's right here, so you will have to open settings, and now we have to search for another option. We have to open system. No, not about, just system. And here we can find a reset. So you will have to click on the reset. Then if you want to confirm, click on this blue switcher to start factory reset process and remove all connections and just everything, apps, contacts from your Band 9. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and if you are looking for other tutorials, you can find a lot of them on my channel, so see you in the next one.